Hey, what's up? You know what? Every time I eat pork rinds, I get hiccups. And I don't know why. And I wonder if any of you have that problem. These are baconettes, chicharrones, $2 onlys, traditional fried pork skins. Now, sometimes I have these for a snack, and I try to take my time eating them. And these are real healthy for you too, you know. Let me see what they say on here. 0% trans fat, 0% cholesterol, you know. They're good for you, believe it or not. Pork skins or pork rinds, fried. I don't have hiccups right now. Right? And I'm not trying to make myself have hiccups. I even drink water as I'm eating them, or whatever I'm drinking at the time. Sometimes it takes a few minutes. I'll speed up the video. Maybe at this point. See how long it might take.
If it happens at all, watch it not happen now, because I'm telling you about it, you know? You know how that goes. That's about my third one. They're good. Hiccup. Maybe. Every other time I eat them, I get hiccups. And I can't make myself have hiccups either. Because I don't like it when it happens. It takes a while to go away. And I stop eating them. See? I'm eating normal. I'm not eating too fast or anything. Taking a drink of water. No hiccups yet, though. Maybe this will be the first time I don't get hiccups from eating pork rinds. Ooh, that's a big one. Snow went out again. 35 days of spring. Pork rinds, baby. Very good. I'm glad if I don't get hiccups, because I don't want hiccups. Even a small bag, you know, you think maybe I'm eating too many, or maybe I'm not going to get them because I'm thinking about it too much, but I always think about it, because I always get them.
I ate almost half the bag. I didn't have any hiccups yet. I think that's because I'm talking about it. Normally, I eat 4, 5, 6 of them, I start hiccuping. I don't get it. Stage fright, perhaps. Anyway, no hiccups. Good, maybe I'm cured. Maybe this is what it took to cure me, huh?
Oh my God. Big drink.
See that little hiccup? Try not to. Half a hiccup. When I get them, it's crazy and I can't stop. And I can't scare myself into stopping either. What is it about these? Is it because of they're puffy and air in there? They feel light and fluffy. See? Okay, I'm trying not to. There. See, I'm not doing that on purpose. Every time I eat pork rinds, I get hiccups. Now, if this is going to offend anybody, turn away, or don't look, or don't listen. But I'm just trying to figure this out. Why do I get hiccups when I eat pork rinds? And I don't like doing it. I usually stop when it happens. But I was trying to show you all that, you know? See if anybody else has that problem. I'm sorry. Excuse me. Oh. See? And then I don't eat them for a while. Like a couple months. I gotta relax. I gotta try not to think about it. Relax. It's a pain in there, you know? And pork rinds. Is it over? Boy, it's painful, see? Look. Oh, man. It takes a lot out of me. I'm sorry. Oh. It stopped. Then you want to eat some more because they're good. But don't want to get a relapse. All right, that's what happens to me when I eat pork rinds. That happened to you? It's over. It's done. It's gone, I think. That's a bad feeling for a little while. I just had to share that with you. All right, have a nice day. I'm gonna make something real good tonight. Oh, one time I made pork rinds. I'll put a link here. I guess you'll see. I forget even how I did it, but I made my own pork rinds. But you can buy them like this. Okay? Talk to you soon. Hold on to the hiccups. Hope they don't get you like they got me. See ya.